been out here working on this thing the second day now. It's chilly out. But I think the float keeps sticking on it. Then we got the charcoal canister all deleted because somehow it sucked up that charcoal in the carburetor a while back, so just deleted all that stuff for emissions. But this port here, where that's how the carburetor, where the charcoal canister is supposed to be hooked to, it was just pissing gas right out of there. So put a fuel line on there and I plugged it with a bolt, and then I started it, and it didn't leak. Then I started it, and I took the bolt out, and then it didn't leak any gas since there. But it was running a little, it is negative somehow here, so it's gonna be part of the exhaust. You can see it was leaking a little bit of gas coming out, but now it's dry. That's just a tad of moisture, but before it was just, you could just feel the gas coming out of it. I got the A2 Chevy running now, so we'll see if it starts leaking gas or not. I need to take it to town and blow snow at church, but I don't know if I want to trust it. I had a hit on the carburetor a couple times, and then it, evened itself out. I don't want to be driving down the road and just start pouring gas out on me. So I'm gonna let it run for a while and see what happens. I had it working fine yesterday for a while, but then it quit. So I'm gonna try to fire up the old Ranger Danger here that has a bad front shock mount, I think it is, in the front that makes the wheel all go in on the passenger side. I'm gonna just fire up and keep the battery charged up on that. So, got her running. I think I need to unplug the exhaust here. So, she's unplugged. Look at all the snow that blew in over here. Quite a drift that blew in, huh? My goodness. Probably need to get some more of that off of there too. All right, well, we got the Danger Ranger shut back off. She got all charged up and got everything pumping again in her. So taking the voyage with the 82 Chevy to church, blow snow. So hopefully we'll make it there in one piece. I do believe we will. Roll on, mighty, get back home. Roll on, family, roll on through. Roll on down like I told you to. Hail on 18-wheeler, roll on. Well, I made it to church. I only brought the little snowblower because my back hurt, and I didn't want to try to lift up the big one. Well, I used the ramps too, but it's still just a pain. So I want to lift that. I need to take a look at that because it's only driving on one wheel. So I don't know if somebody maybe on the other wheel, or maybe when I took off that one wheel, I didn't put the pin in the right location. So it's only driving with one wheel, and it's a pain. It is a pain, especially when I blew the whole driveway with it. So I just brought the little thing, and the little thing has been doing just fine. It eats the snow. So we're going to try to eat some of the snow with it, and we're going to give her the test of the Almighty God with it. Looks like we got a lot of snow on that big snow pile over there, so kind of running out of room with that too. So might have to bring the other one and try to shoot it over. Have to haul some snow out of here or something if it keeps coming down. We'll see what happens. We'll pop the hood here and make sure it didn't leak any gas out on the way here. I did bring a hammer with, just in case I had to do a little banging on her. But no, it looks good. I'll just leave the hood up. Looks more classy that way. I'll check again before I leave. So, got the little snowblower here. But yeah, so here's the snow situation. Looks like somebody went in there. Here's the snow situation with the pile. So the pile is starting to come over this way. And it's only January. So we're gonna have to do something about the pile. Let me down, snowblower, don't let me down. It's working pretty good, but the handle on it is kind of different with the thing. It won't let me pull it all the way back for some reason. In some places this ramp is over a foot on, so we'll see what this little yellow snowboard does. The cable will not engage like this. If I put it up one more notch, it will not engage. It's too much then. Well, I gotta put my thumb under here when I pull back, so it's a pleasant thing. And this thing decides it wants to, the chute wants to shoot this way all the time. You put it that way and it just gradually comes back. I'm gonna go on Dairy Queen and get a chicken strip basket with some gravy, some fries. I got this all done here. Neighbor decided to leave her garbage cans over there, so that was good. But that is all hard packed there. Tried shoveling it, tried blowing it, but didn't make my back feel any better. Well, I went to Bill's instead of the Dairy Queen because I needed some coffee creamer. So I got some chicken here and some pecans and another Monster. Them sugar-free ones are pretty good. Pretty good. So hopefully you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you on the next video. Bye.